Alright, y'all, so tune in for another one. This one here is a wool buffing pad that I got from work, made by Master Pro, that fits beautifully on the buffer polisher that we got from Cortez. Along with this, we also got the buffing, got the Easy Buff 8-inch that goes directly on the arbor, and then this other one here, which is like a waffle pad, and that one will go directly on to here as well. I don't know if you guys are using like separate things when you go to the polishing wheels, or if you're just changing it every time. Like if you have to go from here, well, you get what I'm saying. So if you're like this and your polishing puffing, do you have a separate machine that you use that has this attached, or do you just switch it over? Let me know down in the comments below. This one is just real short, real sweet, but just to let y'all know, we did get an update on that. Got all the stuff down there in the bag. What else did we get? I want to say that's it. I'm waiting on some other stuff. I think I showed in a live stream where I got some more filters for the mask. And then next time when I do whole car, I got this hooded coverall joint from SAS. So maybe it'll save some clothes or something. Not me, I don't care, I'll throw it away, buy some more, but that might be what that is on that. I was able, yeah. Update on that. So I know the other video, I told y'all I was using the U-Pole Clear, which I did use the U-Pole Clear. The U-Pole Clear works great as well. This one right here. But the only reason I was using this one, I think it was a little cheaper, but I was also able to get that one when I wasn't able to get the original Master Pro 2K that I wasn't able to get the last time, or that I originally used on the box Chevy. So update on that, I was able to get some more. It was 2 cans left. I was like, yo, give me both of them shits, and we running with it. Also got the activator as well. So I think this is gonna be used for the Cutlass because I guess the shortage of it, or the uncertainty that I'm able to get more. So I'll use that with the Cutlass. So that'll be down the line. But with the U-Pole, and y'all will see in the upcoming video, if this technique, the Black Rain put me on, work, then, well, I know it'll work if I do it right. That's the question. If I'm able to execute what he told me correctly, then I might need more clear. I might need more clear than I need paint. Y'all just stay tuned for that. So that's all I got, man. Real short update. Waiting on some supplies so we can get ready to get off into the body work of the Tudo and start that road. I got my banner hanging up over there on the wall now. We official like a whistle. So that's pretty much all I got for this update. When them packages come in, I will let y'all know, and we will go from there. So until next time, it's your boy, LSHEROD254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.